In this Circuits of the Past video, we have a circuit of the present. During his circuit tour of 2018, Herman visited Cadwell Park in England. It was the penultimate circuit he visited during his journey across 12 operational and abandoned circuits in England and northern France. Herman arrived in the morning of Thursday the 2nd of August at Cadwell Park during a track day, but Herman had an appointment with the circuit director. The meeting was scheduled for the lunch break, so whilst Herman waited for lunch, he'd watch the action out on track. Cadwell Park is an operational racing circuit in Lincolnshire, England. It opened in 1934 as a compact racetrack. In 1953 and subsequently 1962, the track was extended to its current length, 2.25 miles long. Because of its elevation changes and a mixture of challenging corners, Cadwell Park is often nicknamed the Mini-Nürburgring. Whilst it hosted a race for the British Formula 3 in 1963, it's mostly used for motorcycle racing, with the British Superbike Championship race being the biggest event on its annual calendar. Cadwell Park was also used to film some of the scenes from the movie Rush. Rush is about the 1976 Formula 1 season and the battle between Niki Lauda and James Hunt. The circuit was also frequently used by the TV programme Fifth Gear, which aired its final episode in 2018. That means the circuit is safe from Jason Plato, for the time being at least.
Hello, Herman here from Circuits of the Past, now from the Circuit of the Present. A short extra live video to show you how cool this circuit is. I'm from the mountain section at Cadwell Park.
Herman was very enthusiastic about the Cadwell Park circuit, and so he decided to do a spontaneous live broadcast on the Circuits of the Past YouTube channel. However, Herman had butterfingers, and they got the better of him. By mistake he went live on a completely different YouTube channel that had absolutely nothing to do with motorsport at all. By the end of the broadcast, Herman wondered why so few viewers had actually joined to watch the video. Then he discovered his mistake and had to restart the broadcast on the right channel from scratch.
Hello, Herman here from Circuits of the Past, now from a Circuit of the Present, Cadwell Park in England. I do this extra live streaming to show you how cool this circuit is.
We'll just pretend it was a rehearsal, and there are no subscribers harmed. When it was the lunch break, it was Herman's turn to enter the circuit. First of all, the safety car driver would drive him around to give himself a first impression of the track.
Okay, safety car on circuit.
Then they would let Herman drive around in his own car, but at low speed. To check out if he would behave, the safety car driver was driving right behind him. Clearly, no one had told any of them about his Nivelle adventures. That day, Calvin, a fan of Circuits of the Past, came with his classic Triumph TR7 V8 to Cadwell Park. The circuit director also allowed Calvin to do a few low-speed laps on the track, with Herman filming the laps as he went. Ever present, the safety car driver was watching them both to ensure that Calvin and Herman didn't create their own Hobbs and Shaw spin-off.
That's some noise.
So that was Herman's visit to the Cadwell Park Circuit. The next day he would visit Brands Hatch. Before you go, there's a free ebook about 7 abandoned racetracks that you can visit legally. You can download the ebook from the website www.circuitsofthepast.com. For now, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Circuits of the Past, and occasionally, as with this one, from the present too.